Okay, welcome back. This is the last little bit of our properties involving real numbers. The last property that I'm going to talk about here, and there are actually some others that we are not going to cover, but that's because it's upper level math. Distributive property of multiplication over addition, and we have shortened that up to say the distributive property. And this is the only property that we use both multiplication and addition in the same expression. What we're doing is we're multiplying things out so that things that are inside the parentheses are going to be multiplied by a specific number. Now, the big thing to keep in mind is that it's only multiplying the stuff that's inside the parentheses, and it multiplies all the stuff that's in the parentheses. Those are the two big mistakes that I see people make. So I have A is going to multiply B, and then A is going to multiply C, and that's going to get us AB plus CAC, okay? Here I can say A times B and A times C, and then I go plus 7. So I left with AB plus AC plus 7. This 7, if you look, does not get multiplied by the A because it's not within those parentheses. Okay, so here, again, we're getting a little more involved, and we have 7x, and that's going to multiply the difference of x minus y. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to literally spell it out. So I've got my x times x, right, in this section. So I've got 7x times x, and then I've got the negative, or the difference of 7xy, all right? When we take a look here, and I'm totally fine with people writing things out like this if that's what they need to do in order to see how things work, but when you get to your ending answer, you're going to want to combine these guys into so that you've got it in an exponent. So it's going to be 7x squared minus 7xy. All right. Again, you're going to deal with stuff that's inside the parentheses. You're not going to multiply beyond the parentheses. And here's a case where we're going to multiply and then we're going to collect using the commutative and associative properties. So A, I'm going to have my 5A is going to multiply B, and 5A is going to multiply C, and 5A is going to multiply negative D, and then I have to add AC and minus 4AB. So when I go ahead and distribute this piece here, I've got my 5AB plus 5AC minus 5AD, and then this AC and this minus 4AB just come down. They're just brought down to the next line. Now I'm going to collect my like terms. First thing I'm going to do is I take a look. I have my 5AB. Now, write that down. Let's see if I have any other ABs. And I do, actually. They have the same variable, and they are both the same exponent. That's what has to happen in order for it to be able to be combined. It's not a like term if both of those things are not true. So I have a 5AB minus a 4AB, and then I'm going to add my 5AC, and I need to look and see if there's another AC here. There is. I have an AC or a 1AC. Remember, if I have a dollar, we all understand I have $1. So here I have 5AC plus 1AC. And then I take a look here. I have this last piece here is my negative 5AD. And I don't have anything else to combine it with, so that just kind of gets tagged on at the end. So now I've moved things around. I've grouped them so that it's easy to deal with the associative property. I'm going to be able to collect them together quick. Again, I have to have same variables and same exponent on all of the variables. Otherwise, you cannot combine them. They are not like terms. Here I have my 5AB minus 4AB, which leaves me 1AB. I could also have left off the 1. It would have been just AB. That's fine too. I have 5AC plus 1AC. That's going to give me 6AC. And then I have a negative 5AD, and that just comes on down. And that's my completed answer. That's my solution as far as collecting my like terms after having distributed through this expression.